I heard it, I thought, okay, they got another damn animal in a soup plate.
And it's storm drain.
Right there.
Yay!
Bring him up, bring him up.
Good job, good job. Oh my gosh. Hey, baby. Somebody's had a bad day.
Got it. Clear. Come on up now.
What are you doing in that hole?
Good job, brother.
There had to be a black cat. I knew it would be a black cat. Because they're harder to see in the dark. I know, sweetheart. Thank you, Daryl. You did a good job. I think you deserve a sticker for that, don't you? You don't? Do you want a sticker? You don't? I thought every little boy liked stickers. Sometimes you do. Well, I think you need a hero sticker for saving this kitty. Because we wouldn't have known she was down there if it wasn't for you. You're a hero.
Call to assist animal control with a cat in the storm drain. Come here, monitor both spaces, put 2 rescuers in, about 5 feet down. They were able to get the cat to come to one side. The rescuer reached down, grabbed them, and passed them up to animal control. Definitely not an everyday call. But anything we can do to help out and keep other people safe, that's what we're here for.